All right, let's talk about the secret sauce to keeping your viewers glued to the screen. It's all about structure. Think of it like this: a strong start, a value-packed middle, and a clear finish. First, you need a killer hook. The first 3 to 5 seconds are everything. Ask a question, make a bold statement, or show a mind-blowing clip. Get them curious. Next, deliver the goods and do it fast. Don't waste time with long intros. Cut straight to the point and give your audience what they came for. And I mean it when I say cut every single boring second. If it doesn't add value or move the story forward, it's gone. Finally, keep their attention high with on-screen text, cool graphics, and fun sound effects. And always end with a clear call to action. Tell them exactly what you want them to do next, whether it's subscribing, watching another video, or leaving a comment. Master this structure, and you'll see your watch time soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.